Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase alarm volume in iPhone. So, if your iPhone alarm volume is too low and now you want to increase it, then here's the video for you. So if another of these you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two steps you need to take when you want to increase alarm volume on your iPhone. The first one is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Haptics, make sure you turn on Change with Button. If Change with Button is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. Now, under Ringtone and Alert, make sure you adjust this to the level where you want the volume level to be. So, once you adjusted this to where you want the volume level to be, like this, then you can now use the side button to increase the volume or use the side button to reduce the volume. You see that? That is one way you can use to increase alarm sound on your iPhone. Now, if that is not working for you, try this. Open the clock app, select the alarm whose volume you want to increase, click on it, then click on sound. On the sound page, make sure you select your alarm sound and then use the volume up button to increase the alarm volume. You see that? Once the alarm volume is increased to the level you prefer, then go ahead and hit the back button. After that, click on Save at top right, and then you're good to go. With this is going to increase alarm volume on your iPhone. So that is basically all you need to do when you are trying to increase the alarm volume on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.